Where are you, Christmas?
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Yes, it does.
So hi guys, so it is the 4th of December. Her birthday is tomorrow. So this gift I can't wait until tomorrow to give her because I like need it. So
Let me see.
just for you to open it. Wait, go ahead.
Is it
30.
Oh, 30.
Take your time with them. Take your time with them because I have to use them tomorrow. That's why I needed to open some now because I'm gonna have to set them up. You get the other gift tomorrow.
Aged to perfection. Now my butt is dirty.
Oh, sorry.
Remember with Corona. Dirty.
Yes. And they're pink gold.
Yes, I love it.
I tried. I really tried.
30. Oh, please point on me.
The queen.
30 and flirty. No, I don't
Yes,
agree
you
to
are.
this one.
This one says cheers to 30 years.
Shakay.
Of course, I laughed them already. And so, guys, I ended up buying the thing for the cupcake. So pretty much, my sister wants a cupcake that says 30, and I decided to make it for her. So I bought the frosting to put on the cupcakes as well as the piping thingy. It's the first time I'm going to be using this, so I'm nervous. But yes, and then I have the cake mix in one of those bags somewhere there. So I'm going to get to baking in a few. Don't know why this feel like it's exploding or something, but it feel weird, feel puffy, like it'll explode. But yes, I'm gonna try and make this in a few. Alright guys, so this is what I have so far. This is gonna be the one. So what I was trying to do was to do 30 gifts in for her 30th. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 already, 7, the cake 8, the cupcakes 9, and I don't know, her free birthday gift was supposed to be 1 as well, but it's not gonna be all of it. So this is a part of it as well. It's quite a lot of gifts, but I wanted it to be 30. It's not gonna make it to 30, but it's quite a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the rest in a sec. So alright, so these are some of the gifts I bought today. So I asked her what bag she don't have, what color, because my sister is a bag person and she likes to get a lot of bags. So I got her this yellow bag. She said she didn't have yellow and she don't have purple. So I got her this purple bag. So yeah, she's a purse person, she's a bag person. And she keeps using my perfume that I bought. So I bought her this pink, cute pink one, pink and white, and it's Christmassy. So yeah, so I got her all of these so far. The snacks thing I need to go and fix, and the cake, and then I don't know what else yet. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm waiting for the rest. So I got this mat as well. It's like a Chanel mat. I'll show you. Let's take this off. And I got some Chanel. My Chanel Gucci, and another Gucci thing. These are, what do you call these? Push-on covers. So these I need to put into a bag. Let me bag them and then we'll see how much we have. So guys, so far this is what I have. I need some more bags. I need to go back for some more bags, about 1 more, 2 more. So yes, this I can't wrap because I don't have a wrapping paper. So yes, that's what it is. Yay. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 here, so I need 50 more.
It's almost time. Do you want to hold the flower? Just don't put it in that ear and enough in there. So what you know.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
If flower don't.
Happy
Like we have yet. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Into the phone, please the birthday box.
Look at the cousins. I share queen today now, that's why. Alright guys, good morning. So it is the next day. It is December 5, my sister's birthday, which you guys saw that part. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this in 2 separate vlogs or what. I think I might do 2 separate vlogs. So I might do the surprise of my sister with the 30 gifts video first, and then the birthday vlog after. So whichever one you see first. So this is the preparation, the gifts one. So this is what I have. I'm gonna turn it around to let you guys see it. So this is what I have so far. I'm gonna put some sweets in here. I don't know if I showed the vlog this, but I bought this. So this is the year she was born, 1991. So I put that one for her, and many other gifts over here. Those are not in it. Here, those are not in it. So these are the gifts, and I'm gonna be fixing up one of the gifts now, and the rest I have a next one that's supposed to fix, and then the cupcakes I'm gonna bake in a sec. So guys, this is how it turned out. This is her food bouquet. This is all the snacks that I know she likes. I didn't get all, but that's me to that. So it's kind of not staying much. I want to hurry and give it to her. I want it to be something else. With the chocolate them. Can it in their fridge? Happy birthday. So that's the first gift. I tried to get all the snacks you love, but you know Oreo wasn't there, so I had to buy yellow. Which one? What if you get that? She wanted to see that she's doing something. Good girl. Alright guys, so we got the 30. I tried. Alright guys, it's time for us to leave. Yeah, vlog.
Let's go to the beach. Let's get away. Hey. Something interesting, Toby. What is over here? What is over there?
I've been wanting something from you. You made me like nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You made me like nothing.
Yeah? Yeah, nice. Let's take one video too.
Baby,